algae, and fungi, are A. Viperidae, B. Thalphyta, C. Bryophyta, D. all of the above. The correct option is B. Thalophyta. Which one has a cell wall made of chitin? A. Fungi, B. Green plants, C. Human fetus, D. all of the above. The correct option is A. Fungi. Which one is a saprophytic, eukaryotic organism? A. Blue-green algae, B. Mycoplasma, C. Bacteria, D. Fungi. The correct option is D. Fungi. Funaria belongs to the N division. A. Anthophyta, B. Bryophyta, C. Magnoliophyta, D. Amniota. The correct option is B. Bryophyta. Identify the incorrect statement. A. Birds are warm-blooded, B. Birds are cold-blooded, C. Forelimbs of birds are homologous to bats. The correct option is B. Birds are cold-blooded.